Hello and welcome to Down Cruise Car Sales. Today we're here to show you our Ford KUGA individual. This vehicle is a full individual spec with, as you can see, individual body styling and full individual black leather. This vehicle is prepped to a high standard, has just been MOT'd, serviced and will come with 1 year's warranty included in the price. The vehicle has just had the wheels refurbed, as you can see, and 2 new tyres on the front of the vehicle. The vehicle has air conditioning, electric windows, remote locking, power steering, front and rear parking sensors, split tailgate. Also benefits from ISOFIX in the rear seats, roof rails, appearance pack with tinted windows and chrome roof rails. All of our vehicles are ready to drive away, and we do not charge an administration fee on top of any of our vehicle prices. The price you see advertised is the price you will pay. We offer part exchange, warranty included in the price, finance available, and the vehicles are ready to go. If there's any more information you want, please call us on 01474 333316. That's our number again, 01474 333316. Thank you.